What is that relationship? How do you show the relationship between two variables? You can show it with scatter diagram, you can show it with a regression, you can show by calculating the correlation coefficient. There are all the ways to show the relationship between two variables. Whereas line diagram does not show relationship between two variables. Line diagram will show you the trend of the changes happening in a variable over a period of time. That is what is shown by line graph. Which type of variable social classes? Class 1 is the highest social class, class 5 is the lowest social class. अब भी बताओ, अभी तक सुना ना? Correct answer देना अभी, right? Satya says order. Punch your answer, doctor. Punch, punch, punch. Then Maran also thinks ordinal. Gagana Kuber says ordinal. Vijay Chaudhary, Sara Khan, Amma Ji, everyone is saying ordinal. Kush Loa Mogambo, 1 mark scored. So what is ordinal scale? Once more. The purpose of MCQs is to keep on rewinding the concepts. Concepts very few will be there, doctor. MCQs can be many. So that's what I am telling you. 953 topics from 19 subjects. Pura story isi mein hai. Ab 30,000 MCQs of the last 15 years aims all India PG Exam, FMGE, DNB, topic wise classified. If you once discussed with Dr. Murli Bharadwaj, you are indirectly revising the concepts of this 953 topics, from which the 300 questions in the NEET PG are going to come. Kitna time chahiye iske liye? Half an hour on each topic. So, not more than 400 to 500 hours you need to spend for preparation if you are really focused. That is a benchmark. Now, ordinal scale. Suppose you don't know the numerical distance from each category to the next, but it is a set of categories that are being ordered from least to most. First place, Miss America. The runner-up comes from Texas. The third comes from Boston. How can you be able to, you can order them from most beautiful to least beautiful, but you can't know the distance, interval between them. Similarly, the military ranks, the letter grade in class, degrees held. Can you tell that MBBS is, MD is 10 times that of MD, MBBS, and DM is 20 times that of MD? Can you say? You can't say. But one thing you can definitely say, MBBS के बाद 5 साल लगेगा MD के लिए, उसके बाद 10 साल लगेगा DM के लिए, उसके बाद बुढ़ापे में prostatic hypertrophy आएगा. At least that much only you can say. So degrees held are ordinal scale. Satisfactory, serious, guarded, critical, different things we say no about the patient. That is also ordinal. That's what you should be very sure about. So if you look at the variables, variables can be discrete, continuous. Discrete, continuous. What is the meaning of discrete variable? Yes or no. Yes or no. For example, if you say, are you pregnant? Yes, I am pregnant. Or I am not pregnant. But I can't say, I am slightly pregnant, moderately pregnant, severely pregnant. Can you say? You can't. That is called discrete variable. Continuous क्या होता है? मैं 80 kgs मोटा हूँ, आप 100 kgs मोटे हो. I am 20 kgs lesser than you. I am lesser obese than you. That is continuous. The height, the weight, the age, every quantifiable thing is continuous variable. Then you have dependent, independent variable, qualitative, quantitative variable, dichotomous, polytomous variable. Dichotomous variable, a variable which has only two values, female, male, adapted, non-adapted. Polytomous variable has multiple possibilities, more than two values. Like richness, high, medium, low, they're all polytomous variable. जरा मैथमेटिक्स का क्लास आ गया. Gagan Kuber rightly says murmur intensity is ordinal or what scale? Come on, who is going to give the answer? Now, mean value is 2, median value is 3. What is the mode? Beautiful question. पहला, mean क्या होता है बोलो डॉक्टर? You add all the numbers divided by the number of numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4 variables are there. So denominator is 4. 3 plus 2 plus 10 plus 5 is equal to 20. 20 by 4 is equal to 5. 5 होता है mean. Median क्या होता है? Typically put the numbers in a ascending order, smallest to largest. The middle value is median. Suppose 4 values this side, 4 values that side, बीच में 2 values आ गया तो, then you add the 2 values and divided by 2. For example, you got 4, 5, 6, 7, right? 8, 9. So 8, 9, 4, 5 extremities. Middle में क्या आ गया? 6, 7. 6 plus 7, 13 divided by 2, that is 6.5 become the median value if 2 numbers come. Then mode, the most frequent value 5, 6, 5, 5, 6, 4, 3 है समझो. 5 3 बार आया, that become the mode. Range means largest number minus smallest number in a given data set is range. So, in this case, you added up all divided by 7 became 10.14 is the mean. Median, you organized it in lowest to highest and the middle number you have taken, that is 8, median. Mode is 10 is repeating 2 times, that's the reason 10 becomes the mode is what you should remember. अभी आ गया interesting question. ये formula नहीं मालूम है तो नहीं है तो खत्म. Mode is equal to 3 into median minus 2 into mean. बच्चों मेरे साथ और एक बार बोलो, मैथमेटिक्स टीचर आ गया. Mode is equal to 3 into median minus 2 into mean. 3 into median minus 2 into mean. Right? So in this case, what is the mode value given? 3. Sorry, mean value given 2, median is 3. So 3 into 3 the median minus 2 into 2 the mean will give you 5, which is the mode, is what you should remember. Barabar? Now, about the distribution of the weights of a group of students. 70, 70, 70, 75, 79, 83, 84, 85. So what is the mean value? Mean value is 77, median value is 77, mode value is 70. How did you get that? Mean value. 70 plus 70 plus 75, 79, 83, 84, 85 सब मिलाए तो 616. Totally कितना values है भैया? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 divided by 8 we gave you 77. That is the mean. Median क्या है? Median. You organize it in ascending order. Middle में दो values आ गया 75 plus 79 divided by 2 is equal to 77. That is the median. Mode, इसमें एक बार, दो बार, तीन बार आ गया 70 most repeated value. And what is the range? The highest value is 85 minus 70 will give you 15. Is typically considered to be the range. Barabar? Now, in a bimodal distribution, what is correct? Mode is equal to 3 into median minus 2 into mean is what you should remember.